the difference between happiness and them getting a home is huge. Because a lot of times what we do with people is we assume that if I help them get the home, then they're going to be happy. And sometimes that is the case, right? But watch this. If I'm looking to consume or buy a product or a service, getting a home is a feature, right? Achieving happiness is the benefit of the feature. When I wrote this in my book called Your Next Deal. If you have the book, a couple of you have a book of that, but there's a chapter called Bob, Benefit of the Benefit. So the real difference between high-level sales and marketing people versus kind of average people always talk about features. Okay? Good people talk about benefits. Great marketers talk about the benefit of the benefit, right? It's one step deeper. Watch this. So if I'm talking about a car, and some of these young guys, they don't know what a crank is, a window crank, right? But back in the old days, there was a crank, right? Then they went to the push button, right? So the feature of that car, that window, is the push button. That's the feature. So if I say, hey, you're gonna love this new car because it has the push button. Well, do you really care about the push button? No. You care about what the push button means, which is the benefit is, meaning I don't have to crank, and I don't have to pit out in my shirt because I don't have to crank, right? So the benefit is I can push the button. Well, the benefit of the benefit is so that I can get the window down faster, get the air cooler, so I can enjoy my ride. See, great marketers are talking about how to get you to enjoy the ride. Good marketers are talking about the ease of the button push. And most of us, self-included when we're lazy, are just talking about the button.